Unfortunate news also that came in from Pune of at least 18 workers, mostly women, losing their lives after a major fire broke out at a chemical factory in Pune. An investigation is currently underway to find out exactly what caused this fire. The centres also stepped in, announcing an ex-gratia of 2 lakh rupees for the kin of the deceased.
A devastating fire at a chemical factory in Pune. The blaze at SVS Aqua Technologies started at around 4 p.m. on Monday and quickly engulfed the entire building. Fire tenders rushed to the spot, but by that time, the blaze had already claimed more than 15 lives. The workers, mostly women, were charred to death.
अचानक आग लगने से अंदर जो तकरीबन 37 लोग जो काम कर रहे थे, वर्कर्स काम कर रहे थे, वो अंदर फंस गए और उनमें से 18 लोगों की मौत हुई है। जो जख्मी लोग हैं उन्हें सरकारी अस्पताल में इलाज के लिए यहां से शिफ्ट कर दिया गया है। जो पुणे जिले के पुलिस अधीक्षक है अभिनव देशमुख, उन्होंने कहा है कि जांच होगी और जो भी इसके लिए जिम्मेदार है उसके ऊपर सख्त कार्रवाई होगी।
Expressing grief at the loss of lives, Prime Minister Narendra Modi has announced 2 lakh rupees in relief to the next of kin of those who died. The injured will be provided with 50,000 rupees. The Maharashtra government will also be announcing financial relief for victims' families.
जिन लोगों का नुकसान हुआ है जानी, उसको लेके भी कामगार विभाग के हमारे मंत्री जी क्या करना है उसका ऐलान करेंगे और मुख्यमंत्री जी की भी तरफ से या सरकार की तरफ से क्या होगा, ये बचाव कार्य पूरा होने के बाद आगे क्या कार्रवाई होगी उसकी जानकारी दी जाएगी।
While the exact cause of the fire is not known, officials say it started during the packing of plastic materials.
Plastic used for the packing and the heater, those were used for the sealing. There is a fire from the that particular heater. Panic situation due to the dense smoke and breathing problem, and this may be the one of the reason that people, those who are inside the building, they could not able to come out, and unfortunate death has happened.
The factory produces chlorine dioxide used in water purification. The fire has put focus on safety hazards at industrial units. Whether any norms were flouted will be clear in the probe underway. Bureau Report, India Today.